Prospector Aaron. This evening I'm going to put together this UR mat so that I can take this out on Sunday up to Clear Creek. I really love this mat. So I'm going to do a section of this and then probably a section of scrubber, river hog, mother lode, whatever the rest of this is, into my extension. Do some serious digging this Sunday because it might be my last time going out for a while. But yeah, let's get this show on the road. What do you say? So tonight, the tools you're going to need for this process is a combination square, marker, measuring tape, and where the heck is my Gorilla tape? Yeah, Gorilla tape. So I'm just going to put this on my shoulder. Each one of these mats should be 8 inches wide. Let's see. That is 8 inches. 8 inches. Yeah. So far, so good. Right on the money. Yeah. Yep. All right. Cool. Tape it at the bottom after you glue it. So what I'm gonna do is flip this around like so. Boom. Get that right at 8. And you can either mark it or just start cutting it. I'm gonna start cutting it. Make sure you got a good blade. This one's kind of dull. Be sure to take your time with this. No rush. Good work takes time. See if that's 8 inches. Trash. But you know what? I don't want scrubber to be the first mat in the box. It's kind of a waste because they call it hog moss, but it's really just miner's moss. The miner's moss lays on top of the first mat. So really all the gold is seeing is these next 3 mats. So yeah, definitely gonna have to, so I got 4, so I need 2 more mats. UR, scrubber, scrubber. Take whatever glue you like better. I like crazy glue because I've always known this to be the best glue in the world, super glue wise. And it works perfect for this kind of rubber. Alright, so all you're going to do is this little lip right here, lay some glue right along there. like so. And they should just slide right together. Make sure they're flush on both sides. Kind of push it down. Give it a few seconds. And you're good to go. Next one. Don't be shy with the glue. I might be able to rip that apart. Oh yeah. Well, if you can get to this, try to do your best to part them. But yeah, see, that's completely ruined. But really, I just want the UR mat. See if I can. Yeah, okay. This mat is where I screwed up last time on. So I can cut it right there. That's a pretty good cut, right up against the top flap, like this. Let's see if this will work. Yeah, that should work. If I cut this just a little more. Oh yeah. Perfect. Got my mat. Just long enough to where this last mat will overhang the extension, because I didn't go and spend a bunch of money on the flare. I got the early model where they made the extension for the Piglet without the flare, with the wider box on the end. You know what? I think I might. Yep. Boom. Even better. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Ah, beautiful. Just beautiful. Alrighty then. So now, flip her over. Get some glue. Open her up a little. Lay some glue down in yonder. Yep. Just because you're going to be using this mat, hopefully, for, you know, six months to a year without it falling apart. Next thing, we're going to tape this bad boy. I like to use Gorilla Tape because, well, if you use, you know, regular duct tape, you know, in time that stuff gets gooey and messy and starts ripping and a bunch of hairs come out of it and stuff. Stuff doesn't do that. So here we go. Well, let's make sure, let's wipe this off first. Take a towel, get some water. Now wipe her down because you only want to stick them once, you know. You don't want to do a clean out. Lift your mat out of your box and see that your tape is already falling off after using it one time. So first, I like to cover all these creases and then lay my strip down here. Take some glue first.
Now when you put this tape on the sides right here, flip it, and you'll see that I didn't put the tape all the way under. That is because you're going to fold it like so. Folding this will create a barrier for when you shove it into your box, so that none of the dirt gets underneath the mat. See, it'll fold right up and create a barrier, a wall. That one's a little short on that side, but that's okay. Cut your ends off. Like a glove.
That one came out pretty darn good. Make sure when you're folding it on itself that you push all the little bubbles down and everything, because you don't want dirt and that getting stuck in there after you test it out for the first time, because then you'll have to take the tape off, retape it. I might actually go a little wider on the wall all the way down. Or taller on the wall, I guess. Anywho, so, next thing. See this hole right here? That goes at the top of your mat. So that you can put your little angle iron in there. Don't forget that. I forgot that on my last mat. And my mat kept slipping down my box, even though I thought it was in there tight. So I'm going to lay this mat over this. Get the ends flush. Sides as flush as I can. Nice, worked out fine. Cut the little flippy flaps off. Hey guys, so it's the next day. It turns out I cut my mat too wide, which that's okay, because it's better that I cut it too wide instead of too, narrow. So I'm out here. I'm going to give it a nice test, see how the water flows over it, so you can see it, and we're on a little pay dirt. Show you what I'm looking for.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday. Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday.
So I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's mostly black sand, but you see how the little kind of looks like it's like gelled in there. Well, this pay dirt's got a lot of disgusting shit in it from the mountains, I don't know, or from the dredges way long ago. So it's acting kind of funny in the mat, but anyways, yeah, that's what I want. A bunch of nothing but black sand, magnetite. That'll do her. Alright, well, that'll do it for this episode. Hope to see you guys out on the river next time. Possibly this weekend. Later.